And from trigonometry with respect to this figure, what we can write? Tan A, that is equal to perpendicular BC by AB. This is name 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we can write BC by AB is equal to 1 by root 3. So, from 1 and 2 we have BC by AB, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Here we have got ratio of BC and AB, that is equal to 1 is to root 3. So, we may write this for exact value of BC, or assume let BC that is equal to K into this value 1, and AB that is equal to root 3K. From geometry, it is known that for a right angled angle, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. With respect to this figure, ABC, right angle at B, hypotenuse AC. So, from geometry of a right angled angle, from geometry of a right angled angle, ABC, right angled at B, AC square that is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we know the values of BC and AB, so put the values of BC and AB. AC square that is equal to AB means root 3K, that of square, plus BC means K, that of square, as known that or BC is equal to K, AB is equal to root 3K, or AC square is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3, K square plus K square, or 3K square plus K square, 4K square. So ultimately AC is equal to 2K, as AC is equal to root over of 4K square plus minus, taking positive sign, taking positive sign. Therefore, we have had three values BC, AP and AC. Writing again that to better understanding, BC is equal to K, AB is equal to root 3K, and AC is equal to 2K. From question, we have to find out the values of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So first write the expression. Now the given expression sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So we have to find out the values of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. That means first find the values of sin A cos C cos A sin C. Again here drawing the figure for better understanding. A B C. AC is equal to 2K, BC is equal to K, AB is equal to root 3K. Here finding the values. Sin A, that is equal to, with respect to this angle, this is perpendicular by hypotenuse BC by AC, that is equal to BC means K, AC means 2K. K will cancel 1 by 2. We need to find next cos C. Cos C, C means this angle. With respect to this angle, AB perpendicular, BC base. So base by hypotenuse, BC by AC. AC. BC means what is? K. AC means 2K. Similarly, get cancelled. K is equal to half. Again find, we need to find cos A sin C. Cos A with respect to this angle, AB base. So cos means base by hypotenuse, root 3K by hypotenuse 2K. K will get cancelled. So value is root 3 by 2. Sin C with respect to angle C, psi perpendicular AB. So that is equal to AB by AC. That is equal to AB means what is? Root 3K by 2K. K get cancelled. That is equal to root 3 by 2. Now putting the values of individually these. So here writing this, sin A is equal to 1 by 2, cos C is equal to 1 by 2, plus cos A is equal to root 3 by 2, plus sin C is equal to root 3 by 2, not into. So 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 to 4, again 1 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 4, get cancelled. So finally answer is 1. Therefore the value of the expression sin A cos C, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1. If you are benefited by watching this video, you may share your friends, and you have not subscribed, if you subscribe this channel for getting the notification of other videos. Thank you.